What if I told you there was a single nutrient that acts as the master architect of your body? It builds your muscles, powers your hormones, strengthens your immune system, and even helps control your hunger. That nutrient is protein, and most people don't get enough of the right kinds. Protein is made of amino acids, the literal building blocks of life. Without enough protein, your body can't repair itself, build lean muscle, or create the enzymes and hormones you need to feel your best. It's not just for bodybuilders, it's for everyone who wants a strong, healthy, and energized body. Today, we're counting down the top 25 most protein-dense foods on the planet. To keep it scientific, all amounts are for a standard 100-gram portion. Get ready to build your ultimate high-protein shopping list. The number 1 spot is a true titan. Number 25, almonds. These classic nuts kick off our list with a powerful 21 grams of protein. Number 24, sunflower seeds. A tiny but mighty seed, also packing a solid 21 grams of protein. Number 23, canned light tuna. A convenient and affordable powerhouse delivering around 24 grams of protein. Number 22, canned sardines. Don't underestimate these small fish. They're loaded with about 25 grams of protein and healthy fats. Number 21, salmon. A fatty fish favorite, a cooked salmon fillet provides a fantastic 25 grams of protein. Number 20, dried lentils. A plant-based champion, raw lentils contain an impressive 25 grams of protein. Number 19, lean ground beef. A versatile classic, 90-10 cooked ground beef comes in with 26 grams of protein. Number 18, peanuts. More than just a snack, peanuts boast a surprising 26 grams of protein. Number 17, pork loin. A lean and often overlooked option, cooked pork loin delivers a powerful 27 grams of protein. Number 16, turkey breast. A bodybuilder's staple for a reason, roasted turkey breast has a massive 29 grams of protein. Number 15, lean beef steak. A classic sirloin or similar cut cooked also delivers a hefty 29 grams of protein. Number 14, pumpkin seeds. A true mineral and protein king, shelled pumpkin seeds provide a staggering 30 grams of protein. Number 13, fresh tuna. A cooked yellowfin tuna steak levels up from its canned cousin with around 30 grams of protein. Number 12, chicken breast. The undisputed king for many, a cooked skinless chicken breast packs a massive 31 grams of protein. Number 11, hemp seeds. Tiny but incredibly nutrient-dense, shelled hemp seeds also provide an amazing 31 grams of complete protein. Number 10, beef jerky. Because the water is removed, this snack is a concentrated protein bomb with 33 grams or more. Number 9, Parmesan cheese. Surprise! This hard cheese is incredibly dense, boasting around 35 grams of protein. Number 8, roasted soybeans. Also known as edamame, these roasted beans are a plant-based titan with 36 grams of protein. Number 7, nutritional yeast. A vegan favorite for its cheesy flavor, this deactivated yeast is a protein phenomenon with around 50 grams of protein. Number 6, spirulina. This dried blue-green algae is a true superfood, delivering a shocking 57 grams of protein. Number 5, dried cod. Known as stockfish, this is pure, dehydrated fish protein, coming in at an unbelievable 78 grams. Number 4, egg white protein powder with around 80 grams of protein. Number 3, casein protein powder, also with about 80 grams of slow-digesting protein. Number 2, soy protein isolate powder, a plant-based monster with 88 grams of protein. And the number 1 most protein-dense food source on our list is whey protein isolate powder. At 90 grams of protein or more, it is the purest and most concentrated form you can find. From humble lentils to powerful powders, a high-protein diet is your key to a stronger, more resilient body. Building a better you starts with what's on your plate. Choose your building blocks wisely. What's your favorite high-protein food from this list? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to Fit Facts for more essential health truths.